Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix error code 121. The semaphore timeout period has expired. Error same timeout on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If you are also facing such type of system error code, then here are the possible solutions to fix this issue. And the first one is open control panel in your system. And here from the available list, go to Windows Defender Firewall. Open it. Here from the left side, you will find the option turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Open it. Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Click on it. Thereafter, you will find the option turn off Windows Defender Firewall. However, not recommended, but as a one-time measure, you will have to turn off Windows Defender Firewall under both the network, under private network as well as public network. And finally, click on OK. And once your problem is resolved, don't forget to turn on Windows Defender Firewall in your system. After that, close the windows and check whether your system error code semaphore error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, right click on the start button and choose run. Run dialog box will open. Here type msconfig msconfiz and click on OK. This command will open system configuration windows. We will clean boot our system. So here go to services tab from the top menu bar and make the check against option hide all Microsoft services. And finally click on disable all from the bottom right corner. And thereafter go to a startup tab from the top menu bar and click on the link open task manager. Task manager window will now open. Here all your startup apps in your system. Here look for any enabled startup apps. Any startup apps enabled in your system, look for it and manually disable it. If you any found, right click on it and choose disable. Apply this process for all your enabled startup apps in your system. Manually disable all your startup apps. And after that, close the task manager windows, click on apply and OK to save the changes. After clean boot your system, your problem should definitely be resolved. Don't forget to restart your system after clean boot your system. The next one is one more fixes is right click on start button and choose device manager. And here in device manager list, go to network adapter section and right click on your network adapter driver and choose update driver. Here, how do you want to search for drivers? Choose search automatically for drivers. Close the windows and restart your system and your system error code definitely be resolved. That's all.